Dealing with a heat wave in summer requires a combination of strategies to stay cool, hydrated, and safe. Here are some tips and tricks to help you manage. It's scorching hot outside. Make sure to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Avoid drinks with alcohol and caffeine as they can dehydrate you. Eat hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumbers, and oranges. Tip number 2. Keep your home cool. Keep cool at home by using fans and air conditioners. Block out the sun with blackout curtains or shades to prevent heat buildup. Create a cross breeze by opening windows on opposite sides of your home. Tip number 3. Adjust your routine. Stay indoors during the hottest parts of the day, typically from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. If you exercise, do it in the early morning or late evening when it's cooler. Wear lightweight, loose-fitting, and light-colored clothing to stay cool. Tip number 4. Cool your body directly. Take cool showers or baths to lower your body temperature. Use damp cloths or ice packs on pulse points like your wrists, neck, and forehead. Stay in the shade as much as possible if you need to be outside. Tip number 5. Be smart with appliances. Avoid using the oven or stove. Opt for microwave, slow cooker, or no-cook meal. Turn off and unplug unnecessary electronics to reduce heat in your home. Tip number 6. Emergency preparedness. Know the signs of heat-related illnesses like dizziness, nausea, and rapid pulse. Seek medical attention if necessary. Regularly check on elderly neighbors, young children, and those with health conditions. Tip number 7. Enhance your environment. Create a cool room in your house where you can retreat during the hottest parts of the day. Plant trees and install vines to provide natural shade to your home. Tip number 8. Use cooling products. Invest in cooling towels, pads, or mattresses that stay cool for extended periods. Thank you for watching. If you like video, then like and subscribe for more informative videos.